Hey everybody, this is Shahrukh and I welcome all of you to the UI UX design course. So in the very first video, I will teach you how to download the free version of Adobe XD. And let's start. Here I will write Google Chrome. Okay, I just open my Chrome browser and I select my profile. Let me just type here Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop App. Okay, don't write Adobe XD download, just write Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop application. I will share the link as well. I will share the website link as well at the description of the video, so you can directly come here as well. Like, you can directly go to their website directly, but let me show you. When we click on this link, so you will have the download button here. Okay, you will have the download button here, and when you click on the download button, you will be able to download the Adobe Creative Cloud, and you can install it in your laptop or PC. So let me show you. This is the user interface of Adobe Creative Cloud, in which we have all the supported programs, the supported applications of Adobe. Okay, so right now you can see that we have Photoshop as well, Adobe Illustrator as well, Adobe Acrobat, and Adobe XD is here. Okay, so if you already have installed any kind of application inside this platform, so you can update it as well from here directly. Okay, so when I click on download button, it will ask me to sign up to the Adobe platform, and I already have account. So what you will need to do is just go to the sign up. Like, you can click on create an account, or you can continue with a Google account as well, but I will show you the proper step. So when you click on the create new account and you are new to this platform, so you will need to enter all these details, like it's your email address, first name, last name, password, and here choose your date of birth, and here you can select your country. And when you click on this checkbox, you can then create an account, and you will be able to download the Adobe Creative Cloud. Okay. So once you download the Adobe Creative Cloud, then you need to install it as well on your laptop or PC. And once it is installed, you will need to just search here Adobe Creative Cloud as it is showing here. You will, when you click on that, then you will have this kind of interface. Like, click on desktop and you will have all applications here, like apps to try. This is the section, and you can download it from here. Like, you can install the Adobe XD. You need to search for that, and here you will have the free version. Okay, I already have installed the Adobe XD, so I can directly open it from here. But you will be new to this platform, so you will have the Adobe XD option here, so you can install it from here. Like, right now I have available in plan the three versions of Adobe XD, the Adobe platform. So you will have Adobe XD as well here, and Adobe Illustrator as well here. So I have installed all these three platforms from this Creative Cloud desktop app, so you can install it as well from here. Okay, so in this video we have covered up that how to download the free version of Adobe XD. So that is done in this video, and in the very next video I will teach you how to open the Adobe XD, and we will study the user interface of Adobe XD as well, like what kind of tools will be there in Adobe XD, and how to use those tools. We will need to design mobile application, websites, and desktop applications as well. So for that we need to understand the structure of the Adobe XD, and I will show you that in the very next video. Okay, so if you have any issue while installing the Adobe XD free version, you can just ask me in the comment section, and I will be pleased to answer you on that comments. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye. Thank you.